original Ruralist sound. Rock and David, you don't know this is CHEZIDEK representing for the Ruralist sound. From the Pyrenees mountain tops, from the islands of Polar. Ruralist sound. CHEZIDEK says so. Run it. Yeah. Ruralist mash them down already. We are gonna mash them down again. How long can the wicked man pretend? Just like the Tower of Babel, and they thought it would prevail. And all they really got is just a judgment. Ruralist beat sound boy already. We are gonna beat sound boy again. How long can the media sound pretend? Just like the Tower of Babel, how they thought it would prevail. And all they really got was just a judgment. Fooling themselves in thinking that they could conquer. They show no respect to Ruralist, the ruler, taking things up on their head, which is much bigger than them, manifesting their evilest deeds all over the world. And there is no place round here where Ruralists don't beat them. And have them heart we still come out, beat up them mouth. And there is no place round here where Ruralists don't beat them. Ruralist sound out murder sound boy. Me say we mash them down already. We are gonna mash them down again. How long can the wicked man pretend? Just like the Tower of Babel, how they thought it would prevail. And all they really got was just their judgment. Though it's rough and the battle is hard, Ruralists don't stop. Ruralists can't stop. We got no guns, no bomb, and just big Dubplate we a drop. Say we don't stop. Ruralists don't stop, yes. Mash them down already. Mash them down again. How long can the wicked man pretend? Just like the Tower of Babel, how they thought it would prevail. And all they really got is just their judgment. Ruralist kill sound boy already. We kill sound boy again. How long can the wicked man pretend? Just like the Tower of Babel, how they thought it would prevail. And all they really got is just their judgment. Fooling themselves in thinking that they could conquer. They show no respect to Ruralists, the ruler, taking things up on their head, which is much bigger than them, manifesting their evilest thoughts all over the